Venezuela is located on the northern coast of South America, a Caribbean country rich in biodiversity and human talent, but currently undergoing a severe social and economic crisis. It is a country that, despite political polarization, is trying to build its future and raise its voice for the right of the city. Caracas, a polycentric city of contrasts, where nature and concrete merge into one. A valley that transits from east to west, integrating planned and spontaneous settlements, with the Avila Mountain guiding, accompanying us, and inspiring us. The Universidad Simón Bolívar finds itself in the valley of Sartenejas, on the outskirts of the city. The University of Excellence, as it is known, was founded in 1967. It is a public institution that, despite the crisis, has succeeded in maintaining its quality in the areas of science, engineering, architecture, and urban planning. The City Lab project at USP started with a selection of the architectural and urban design workshops as ideal courses for PBL, given the fact that they are essential for both programs and enroll the most advanced students who are capable of addressing the complexity of city problems. A whole year of academic planning, work started on both formal and spontaneous sectors of Caracas, with different scales and approximations. The experience adopted a blended approach between the Aalborg and Maastricht models of PBL. It started with the selection of the areas to be studied and was followed with stages of diagnosis, perspective, and proposal.
Acompáñame a que conozcas tú los lugares. Ahí me voy yo.
Interaction with local stakeholders was achieved through field visits to collect data based on polls and dynamic mapping. Communication with representatives of local government and NGOs was a collective feedback process, which included presentations of the results by the students. Likewise, knowledge transfer was promoted with experts in different areas such as architecture, urban planning, sociology, engineering, economics, risk management, among others. Dynamics between students were also held to provide alternative and complementary visions. The City Lab experience allowed us to value the work of the architect and the urban planner in a whole different way. We understood that more than just drafting architectural projects or urban plans, our task is to solve problems with faces and fingerprints. It was a sensitization and empowerment experience that taught us to understand our urban reality and help us visualize how each one of our actions build the sustainable future of our cities and communities.
Transmit our ideas in an effective way to any group of people. To work with teams as small as 3 members or as big as 42 members. We learn to sustain our proposals on solid foundations and to be always open to the contribution of professionals outside our own disciplines and from completely different backgrounds.
We transform ourselves into the voices of the needs of our communities and interpreters of the aspirations of a country. Bottom line, a participatory process is needed. One in which the citizens' needs are understood and integrated with multidisciplinary teams of professionals that can tackle those issues from a holistic and effective approach, hand in hand with the SDG 11.